Have you ever paused to consider how the United States navigates the uncharted waters of the COVID-19 pandemic? It's a complex web of science, policy, and human behavior, filled with triumphs, setbacks, and lessons learned. Today, we delve into this fascinating saga, tracing the US pandemic response from the early days to the present. The story begins in 2020, when the novel coronavirus, a microscopic enemy, began its global invasion. As it reached the United States, the country found itself in the throes of a crisis unlike any other in modern history. In the initial months, the battle was chaotic and challenging. The virus spread rapidly, overwhelming healthcare systems and sending the nation into lockdown. Despite the grim circumstances, the country rallied. Scientists, healthcare professionals, and policymakers worked tirelessly to understand this new enemy and devise strategies to combat it. By the end of the first year, hope emerged in the form of vaccines. The United States, along with other nations, had achieved a scientific miracle, developing not one but multiple vaccines in record time. The focus then shifted to vaccination efforts, a massive logistical undertaking that would prove just as challenging as the scientific research. The year 2021 marked a turning point. Vaccines started rolling out, bringing a glimmer of hope. Yet the road to recovery was not smooth. The country grappled with issues of vaccine distribution, hesitancy, and accessibility. In May of 2022, during the second global COVID-19 summit, President Joe Biden announced a significant step forward. The United States committed to sharing technologies used to make vaccines through the World Health Organization. This move showed the country's commitment to not only protecting its own citizens, but also contributing to the global fight against the pandemic. As the year progressed, the country continued to refine its approach. Efforts were made to increase access to COVID-19 tests for vulnerable groups, such as the blind and visually impaired. The 7-day average of COVID-19 cases began to decrease, a testament to the effectiveness of the vaccines and public health measures. Despite these advancements, challenges persisted. In November of 2022, the White House had to dispel rumors of another impending lockdown. The focus remained on vaccinations, booster shots, and therapeutics as the primary tools to curb the virus. The journey through this pandemic is far from over. There are still millions of eligible adults and teenagers in the US not fully vaccinated. The virus continues to evolve, and the situation remains fluid. Yet, the lessons learned, the scientific advancements made, and the resilience shown by the nation provide a foundation for hope. In summary, the US response to the COVID-19 pandemic is a dynamic, multifaceted endeavor. It's a tale of triumph over a novel enemy, a testament to human resilience and innovation. It's a story still being written, with each day bringing new challenges and opportunities. Through vaccination efforts, public health measures, and economic recovery strategies, the US continues to navigate this unprecedented crisis, striving for a future free from the grip of the COVID-19 pandemic.